So today we are going to show you how we use the glue with our perfect block system. First, you would start laying your first course of block. Make sure it's level and plumb and use shims if needed. Then you will take your can of glue. You will pop off that little top. Make sure you shake it before each use. And then you will take your gun, kind of twist that glue on there. Make sure you don't strip it. Make sure you have it on nice and straight. Make sure it's on tight. Prime your gun, pull in the trigger, and then once you see some adhesive coming out, you're ready to glue. So once you're leveled and ready to glue, you have one hand on the top of the block, and you are going to carefully wiggle the tip in the seam and just pull it and do about every 5 to 6 inches. Not too much, you don't need a lot of it. Again, a little twisting motion till it barely comes out like that. You don't want to get it too deep to where it's going to be squirting out on the inside of the block. You just need a little bit to grab these two. So when you're building with the perfect block, you would only build one row at a time. So you'd lay your first course, make sure it's level, use that glue, and then wait 10-15 minutes for it to dry, and then you would start this second course. You'd lay your second course, make sure it's level and plumb, and then you glue it again. Wait 10-15 minutes for it to dry, then you could start your third course, so on and so forth. So the purpose of this glue is to just hold the block into place so that you don't accidentally bump into it and bump it out of level. Once the walls are built fully up and you fill them with concrete, that's where the strength and structure really comes from. There's more information regarding the glue techniques in our builder's manual, which you can download for free at theperfectblock.com.